What is genetically modified food? You may ask. Genetically modified food is produced from organisms that have had changes introduced into their DNA using the methods of genetic engineering. Genetically modified food, or GMO food, has a highly argued status in the scientific community. Some say it's beneficial, some say it's not to the world. Genetically modified foods are more beneficial than harmful to the society because you're able to plant and harvest more crops than we were before. Genetically engineered food is beneficial to the U.S. and other countries, but people keep arguing that it does not help, even though there is evidence saying it does. According to Medline Plus, an organization that is trusted in the health field, none of the genetically modified foods used today have caused any problems. The U.S. Food Administration (FDA) assesses all genetically modified foods and make sure that they are safe before they are sent out. Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) and the U.S. Department of Agriculture regulate bioengineered plants and animals. They assess the safety of genetically modified foods to humans, animals, plants, and the environment. The FDA, USDA, and EPA are taking the right steps to protect us from harmful repercussions of the genetically modified foods. It is good to see that there are people out there that are eating and planting genetically modified foods. All these organizations have been trusted for years and have not ever had a slip up. Also, the organizations hired have trusted officials that give very good scientific information about genetically modified foods. According to science researchers in Pisa, Italy, found that genetically engineered corn has a significantly higher yield than non-genetically modified varieties. It contains lower amounts of toxins commonly produced from fungi. Both effects mostly stem from the genetically engineered resistance to a major insect pest, the western corn rootworm, which damages ears of corn and allows fungi to flourish. Despite all the genetic modified tests, there are still skeptics out there that say it's too dangerous to be used. We should be happy that there are skeptics out there that are keeping these scientists on their toes. They are a fresh pair of eyes to see what the scientists are up to. There is countless number of evidence that proves that we need genetically modified food, like the pizza article. They stated that genetically engineered corn has a higher significantly reliable corn source, non-genetically modified varieties than non-genetically modified varieties. Why should we ever stop this? In a YouTube video created by Kezergast, a famous and reliable scientist, he states that genetically modified food can mix with one crop and another crop to make some sort of superweed that cannot be killed by any pesticide. He also states that this superweed can also be as the same factor as the Terminator seed. I believe that Kezergast said is true. Genetically modified food is dangerous, and we need to be careful with what we're putting in our bodies. I don't believe that all genetically modified food can have after effects that can lead to crops becoming dangerous and potentially life-threatening. In Scientific American article, cellular biologist David Williams states that in spite of hundreds of millions of genetic experiments involving every type of organism on Earth, he said, prove in people eating billions of meals without a problem. We've gone back to being ignorant again, he says. Despite all genetically modified food tests, there are still skeptics that say that it should not be used, and we're dumb for using these type of genetically modified foods. We should be making organic alternatives instead of adding more genetically modified foods to our diet. Yes, there can be a superweed or some sort of Terminator seed that can potentially ruin the agriculture industry. But there's too much good that can be brought by genetically modified foods. Also, there are billions of people and billions of meals that have been consumed. Most people should understand that the genetically modified food beneficial factors are more than the non-beneficial factors. In my opinion, genetically modified food is the best source of food that we have right now. And the increasing cost of most pesticides is driving up the prices of most crops. We as a people should keep on making genetically modified food. It's the only way we will survive the impending population increase of 7+ billion people. We need to take risks to survive on this planet. Thank you and have a nice day.